Hey guys, my name is Afzal. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a black and white effect in your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Today's tutorial is a short one. I'm excited about it. I hope you're too. Let's begin. So here I have a video of a man sailing on his boat on a narrow river. Let's bring the video onto the timeline. Make sure the video clip is selected. Head over to Lumetri Color and bring the saturation all the way down to 0. Well, this might be enough for some people. To get better results, head over to Tones under the basic correction. You can adjust the exposure a little, and in order to get more details out of this video clip, you can increase the contrast. Depending on the video clip, increase or decrease the highlights to get a more moody outcome. You can also drop the shadows to get a little darker look. You can adjust the whites, but just make sure while adjusting the whites or the blacks, you don't do it too much that you blow out the colors in the video. Don't mind my settings because every video clip will have a different dynamic range and you will have to edit the settings as per that video clip. Well, that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and as always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.